I think the car isn't working anymore. Again. Wow. I don't know. Nope. Not working. It's raining outside. It's like 5 degrees Celsius. So, yeah. Say what? It worked! Oh! Okay. Just leave me. We were planning on going to the store, but now she gotta go to the car service and see what the problem is. Guess I'll go home then. Just driving off to the car service.